Vybz Kartel pulls out of 2025 One Caribbean Music Festival over contract issues. Big news today coming out of the Caribbean music scene. Vybz Kartel and Ghanaian singer Moliy have officially pulled out of the highly anticipated 2025 One Caribbean Music Festival in Trinidad, and it's all due to some serious contract disputes. Vybz Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, was scheduled to perform tonight at Queen's Park Savannah in Port of Spain, Trinidad. This was one of the most talked about performances of the entire festival lineup. But earlier today, Kartel's management released an official statement confirming that he will not be performing. The reason? The event organizers failed to fulfill the terms of his performance contract, despite already paying most of the fee. Now here's where it gets interesting. According to promoters, Kartel was contracted for a performance fee of $135 million USD. Out of that amount, $950,000 was already paid directly to Kartel. Another $150,000 was paid to his legal representative, but the remaining balance couldn't be paid in full. Why? The promoters claim there were legal and financial regulations in Trinidad and Tobago that blocked the final cash disbursement. Kartel's management team said that despite their strong commitment to the fans, they simply couldn't move forward with an event where the organizers failed to meet basic contract obligations. In their words, despite numerous efforts to resolve the issues over the past couple of months, the promoter was unable to fulfill the stipulated requirements as outlined in the performance agreement. It's also worth noting that Ghanaian artist Moliy pulled out of the festival as well, though her reasons have not been made public at this time. So now fans are left disappointed. No Vybz Kartel on the One Caribbean Music Festival stage tonight. And questions remain about how these contract issues will affect the reputation of the festival moving forward. What do you think? Should Kartel have gone through with the show anyway? Or were the organizers in the wrong? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you stay updated on this story and all major entertainment news from the Caribbean and beyond. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more updates soon. Stay tuned.